Hey, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. Today I want to share with you about Bora-Care. You know, we in the crawl space industry come across the termite problem all the time, and we have found the solution. It's called Bora-Care. Bora-Care is a termiticide, insecticide, and fungicide. Not only kills termites, but prevents termites from infesting your home. It is an easy to apply product to all of the wood surfaces inside of the crawl space. And unlike other termite treatments, Bora-Care lasts forever. It can be used in existing homes or in new construction. As a matter of fact, it is qualified to use in the HUD 99A form. I know what you're asking. What is HUD 99A form? This form is submitted for proposal for new construction cases when prevention of subterranean termite infestation is specified by either the builder, the architect, the FHA loan officer, or the VA loan officer. So Bora-Care is a great product to use to not only kill termites, but to prevent them. And it's very, very easy to install. Bora-Care can even be used on lakeside homes where soil termiticides may be prohibited. Bora-Care's active ingredient is a natural mineral salt which contains the element boron. Boron is a natural occurring ingredient found all over the world, and it's used inside Bora-Care. So if you are concerned about termites, if you've invested all of that money into crawl space encapsulation and you want something, you want to take it a step further and keep that crawl space free of termites, we recommend you check out Bora-Care, now available on our DIY store, diy.crawlspaceninja.com. I'm Michael Church with Crawl Space Ninja. We hope you make it a happy and blessed day, and we'll see you later. Hey, Michael Church here. Real quick, I want to share two things with you that we've got going on here in Knoxville, Tennessee. Number one, I encourage you to check out the Ninja Cabin. We are making this cabin available for people that are interested in staying in the Gatlinburg and Sevierville areas around Dollywood and things like that. It's a beautiful cabin in Wares Valley, Tennessee. I'm going to put a link to that down below. And also, we're going to start doing a live feed, so that way you can talk directly to me. At the end of every month, we're going to be featuring a live feed, so make sure you check out the link below for the live feed coming up at the end of every month.